The mainstream is currently obsessed with Disclosure Day, a glossy new film release designed to captivate your attention. But look past the screen, and you'll find a darker synchronization, a deliberate, multi-layered operation to redefine our reality. While the public is being steered toward a fictionalized version of contact, official government channels are releasing a third tranche of declassified UAP documents. They are clustering these narratives, mixing the theater of entertainment with the reality of declassified archives to ensure that when you finally accept that they are here, you do it on their terms. This aligns perfectly with the warning in 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verses 9 to 10. The coming of the lawless one is according to the working of Satan, with all power, signs, and lying wonders, and with all unrighteous deception among those who perish, because they did not receive the love of the truth, that they might be saved. Look at the imagery currently circulating, where political figures are positioned alongside entities presented as Pleiadians, tall, fair-haired figures in uniform. This isn't just visual noise, it is a calculated, managed narrative meant to rebrand the Watchers of Antiquity as benevolent galactic stewards. This deception is precisely what the Book of Enoch cautions against. In 1 Enoch 69, the text reveals the true nature of these fallen figures, identifying entities like Gadriel, who led astray Eve, and introduced the weapons of death to humanity. They are not our cosmic cousins. They are the ancient architects of corruption now rebranding themselves for a new age of control. They are systematically attempting to replace the spiritual warnings found in the 22 missing books and the Ethiopian canon with a secularized, science fiction narrative of cosmic evolution. By framing these entities as partners in human governance, they intend to strip away your discernment. They don't need the lie to be permanent. They only need it to keep you distracted while they finalize the centralized infrastructure, the biosecurity wedges, and the engineered food crises that will control your future. The disclosure they offer is a mirror, designed to reflect your own longing for truth back at you, reshaped into a cage. True discernment doesn't come from a government document or a screen. It comes from returning to the original word, untouched by the hand of conquest. As it says in Matthew chapter 24, verse 24, "For false Christs and false prophets will appear and perform great signs and wonders that would deceive even the elect, if that were possible. Stay in truth, and pray for the wisdom to see the structure behind the noise." We are currently tuned to 852 Hz, the frequency of awakening intuition and discernment. We chose this frequency because it acts as a catalyst to cut through the illusions and managed narratives, allowing you to bypass the noise and see the structural reality beneath the surface. The algorithm hides these gaps, but we are here to bridge them. The mainstream narrative is a managed container, but truth is found by returning to the original Ethiopian canon, unfiltered by conquest. If this resonates, like, share, and comment. That's how we break the noise. For the full audit, check the pinned comment for the Sion Frequency Hub. There you'll find the historical texts, my frequency research, and our Stewards marketplace for community-curated, natural products. Join us, support the work, and let's grow this community. Stay in truth, and pray for wisdom and discernment.